Hi, boys and girls. We're here on YouTube, and what I'm gonna try is just to get you ready for next week that we're gonna do all the lessons. Well, today we're gonna practice with our review pocket week 2. And here we go then. Okay, so today you were supposed to do right here, day 1, the blizzard, final consonant sounds. U sound as in the bog is right here. You're supposed to do place value, missing adding for math. And I can compare weather for science. Finally, weather words for social studies. Okay, so here we go. Let's do the blizzard first. Okay, so we're gonna focus on bull. And we're gonna read the blizzard. And of course, you can color the picture after we finish. Here we go. It says, there was a blizzard while I was sleeping. That blizzard blew everything into my yard. There were blue blocks and black bags. There were blossoms and blankets. It all made a big mess. There must have been big blast of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. So now you go ahead and you color one happy face, the first happy face, and then we read it again. Here we go. Once again, the title is The Blizzard. There was a blizzard while I was sleeping. That blizzard blew everything into my yard. There were blue blocks and black bags. There were blossoms and blankets. It all made a big mess. There must have been big blast of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. So now you go ahead and you color the second happy face because you read it twice already. All right, so here we go. We're gonna read it one more time, the last time. The blizzard. Here we go. There was a blizzard while I was sleeping. The blizzard blew everything into my yard. There were blue blocks and black bags. There were blossoms and blankets. It all made a big mess. There must have been big blast of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. Now you can go ahead and color that last happy face. Okay, now we go to the questions. Here we have question number 1. When did the blizzard take place? So you might not remember when the blizzard took place. So we go back to the story. It says, there was a blizzard while I was sleeping. So when did the blizzard take place? While I was sleeping. That's your answer right there. And if you want, you can go ahead and underline your answer, while I was sleeping. So that's the answer for your first question. When did the blizzard take place? You can go ahead and write it. When, uppercase, and don't forget to begin your sentence with uppercase. When, don't forget lower cases go from the middle of the line down, and the upper cases, they come all the way from the top. When I is always in uppercase. I was is the past of is. when I was sleeping. So sleeping is actually sleep. Now you're gonna add the ending ing. Don't forget to end your sentence with a period. All right, second question. What did the author describe as blue? So here they mention something that is blue, but if you can remember, that's all right. You continue reading. The blizzard blew everything into my yard. There were blue blocks. Okay, so here we found it. Blue blocks. You can even underline the answer. And now you go over here and you read, what did the author describe as blue? So we can go ahead and say the blocks, right? So do not forget to begin your sentence with uppercase. The blocks, even there's only 2 words, it's still a sentence, right? The blocks, so we put period at the end. All right, almost done. Last question. Okay, let's fix that K. Do you think the author is happy about the blizzard? Let's see. So we can continue reading over here. There were blossoms and blankets. It all made a big mess. There must have been big blast of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. So it doesn't say that the author or the person writing this story is happy or is sad about the blizzard that happened while he or she was sleeping, but we know that it says that it made a big mess. So how would you feel if something makes a big mess in your backyard? I wouldn't feel happy because then I have to clean up all that mess. So I think we should say that the author doesn't feel happy, right? The author might actually be a little bit upset, but it's okay. We can say the author doesn't feel happy. We begin our sentence again with uppercase. The author and it's okay if you make a mistake, you can erase, and if you want to copy the sentence, you can actually pause the video and copy the sentence. The author does not, don't forget, don't write too big, because if not, it's not gonna fit there. Okay, it's not gonna fit there. That's okay. We can always write it in that little space over here. The author does not feel happy. Maybe I'm the one writing too big. That's okay, we can write happy over here, so we can finish our idea. And then we add a period. Alright? Well, we're done with that page. Ready for the next one? Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and turn the page. And oh, don't forget to color your cloud picture. I know you girls will color that cloud beautifully. Okay, so final consonant sounds. Here we go. Let's take a look at the picture first. So we can see that this is a dog, right? So we have d, o, g, g, g. Letter that makes that sound is G. G, g. G is the one that says g, g. Okay, so this one is chic. Sh. CH says ch, ch. E, k. I know you can hear the k already there, but we're actually missing K. K is the one that says k, k, k. Alright, so here we go for the last one on the top. Tiger. T, I, g, r. We're looking for letter R. Letter R is the one that says at the end of tiger. And the I says I because of that E right there. Okay, here we go. Now we have swam. Swa, swa, swa. We're looking for letter M. At the end of the sentence, at the end of the word. Okay, so here we have B, E, G, 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 just like dog, G. We're missing letter G at the end. Pig. And then we have wolf. W, all. We're missing the F. Letter F is the one that says F. All right, here we go. We have lion. We can hear letter N at the end of the word lion. And then here we have a worm. Or That's right, that's letter M at the end of the worm. And then we have lizard. You think the lizard is sleeping? I know we'll have, if we were in class, we'll have a discussion about the lizard sleeping or not. Lizard. So we can hear the D at the end. Alright. So if you want to copy the answers, you can go ahead and pause the video and write the missing letters. Okay, so we're going to our next page. And now we're gonna look now for the middle sounds. This one is gonna be fun for you. And you can also color the spider when the spider, is that a spider? I'm not sure that's a spider. I don't think it's a spider, right? Okay, we'll see. I know we'll also have a discussion about the bug. Okay, so here we go. We have, we're gonna focus on the U sound as in bug. So here we can see that the U, you're gonna hear the short U sound that says oh. That's what we're gonna write. So we say G. We can hear the U saying is short sound og. B, o, n. So we can hear again the U saying is short U sound. F, o, n. Once again, fun. Fun has that short U sound. O, p, o, p. J, o, s, t, j, o, st, just. And then the o, g. Once again, we had the short U sound that says oh. Here we go with the b, og, bug. Then we have s, o, n. Then we have o, n, o, n. And then we have og. Finally, we have, we still have 3 more. St, must, og. So all these words have the short U sound that says oh. Yeah, take a look at them and read them together again. Og, rug, on, bun, on, fun, up, ost, just, og, og, on, sun, on, run, og, hug, ost, must, and our last word is pull, og, plug. Alright, so that was it with reading and phonics and spelling. And here we go to math. Who's excited about doing place value? So this is a little bit of a review because we did this a long time ago. Okay, so feel free to go ahead and draw those lines that we always did for the tens and the ones. So your first place is the tens, your second place is for the ones. Don't forget the sticks or the towers are your tens, and your single cubes are your ones. So let's see how many tens we have, and we're gonna write it on the tens place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. We're gonna write it down. 5 tens. How many ones do we have? The single cubes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones, and our number is 54. All right, so we go to the second one. Once again, we draw our space for the tens and our space for the ones. We count the tens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tens. And how many single ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. We have 87. Here we go. Once again, we draw the space for the tens. The tens are your sticks or towers, and then the ones are your single cubes. We put T for tens and O for ones. And we say tens. How many tens? We have 1 and 2 tens. And we have 1 1. So our number is 21. Here we go. Once again, we need our space for the tens and our space for the ones. We're gonna count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tens. Let's see how many ones we have. Oh, there's a lot of ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this is tricky now, because now you have 10 single cubes. So when you have 10 single cubes, it's like having another single tower, another tower. So you put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we don't use these anymore. We cross it out, and now we put them all together as 1 10. Let's see how many tens we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of 5 tens, now you have 6 tens. 6 tens. And we have no ones, because we turned all these ones that were 10 ones, so they became 1 10. So we say that we have 0 ones. All right, here we go to the last one. Again, we draw our space for the tens and our space for the ones. T is for tens, O is for ones. The towers, the sticks are the tens, and the single cubes are the ones. So let's count the tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Here we go. Our number is 75, and here our number was 60. All right. So I think there's one more math page to do today for day 1. We're supposed to do these on Monday, but you can actually work on it whenever you have time and whenever you have someone that can sit with you. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna do addition, but we're missing one of the addends. So even though it's addition, you can see it here. Here's the plus sign. You can see right there. Even though that's addition, we cannot add because we're missing one of the addends. So we're gonna turn these into a subtraction. Instead of saying 3 plus blank equals 5, we're gonna say 5. I'm sorry, I'm trying to look for where the light it's helping me. So we say 5, take away 3. We're turning this addition into a subtraction so we can find the missing addend. So we have 5. You can use your fingers. I'm gonna say we can use our fingers. We have 5, and we said that we're gonna take away 3. So 5 take away 3 is 1, 2, and 3. How many do we have left? We have 2, So that is our missing addend. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And you can also write it over here if you want to. Okay, so once again, we're missing another addend. So we're going to turn this addition, because it's an addition, we're going to turn it into a subtraction. So we say 6, take away 2. And, okay, so now it's tricky because I cannot use my right hand. So it's okay. We can also draw circles. So we say 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 2. We cross out 2 to show that we're taking them away. How many we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 left. So you can write 4 here, and then your missing addend is 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Alright, so we go to number 5. 3 plus blank equals 5. Once again, I know this is an addition, but we're missing an addend. There's nothing that we can do about it. We're going to turn this addition into a subtraction. So we say 5 minus, or take away 3, equals, but we've done this before, right? It's right here. 1 and 5 is actually the same thing. So we can just go ahead and copy the answer, right? Don't tell anyone that we're cheating. We're copying the answers. Oh, because I was supposed to go. Okay, I see it. I was supposed to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all right. We can go on to 7. Okay, so we go 4 plus blank equals 5. Once again, you're missing one of the addends in this addition. So we have to turn the addition into a subtraction in order to find the missing addend. Okay, so we say 5, take away 4. We have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 1 left. So that means that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then, I know, most of you already got this one. So this is where your friend the 0 comes handy. So 2 plus what gives you 2? Once again, we're missing one of the addends, so we cannot add. If you're missing one of the addends, don't forget you won't be able to add. You have to turn it into a subtraction. So you take the 2 minus, or take away these 2 right here. And if you have 2, and you take away the 2 of them, you're going to have 0 left. So that's your missing addend. 2 plus 0 is equal to. Alright, so here we go. We go to number 11. I know we're skipping the other side for now. So we have 3 plus blank equals 4. This is an addition once again, but we cannot add because we're missing one of the addends. So we say 4 right here, take away minus 3 is equal. We draw the circles. If you cannot use your fingers, like I can use them right now. If you can do this in your head, even better. You have 4, you take away 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're gonna have only 1 left. That's your missing addend. Alright, so we know that 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And now we go to number 13, the last one right here. Once again, I know it's an addition, but we cannot add because we're missing one of the addends. So we say 6, take away 4. And then we can draw circles or do it in your head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 2 circles left. That's your missing addend. You can also write it over here. And now we can go to number 2. So we say 4 plus blank equals 4. I know it's an addition, but we are missing, we're missing one of the addends. So we say 4, this 4 over here, we bring it down, minus or take away 4. And that one is pretty obvious. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We take away 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're gonna have none left. So none means 0. 0 was your missing addend. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. And we have one here that is kind of the same thing. 2 plus 0 is equal to. So here we go. We're going to number 4 now. We're doing all the even numbers now. We're doing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so once again, we're missing the addends. We're missing one of the addends. So we turn this addition into a subtraction. We say 7 minus, or take away 5. You can draw the circles. 7, because you're taking away from this big number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 left. 2 left. So that 2 is your missing addend. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Alright, so I know this looks familiar to you. Look. The same number as one of the addends as a sum. And we also have another one over here, right here. 2 as one of the addends and 2 as the sum. So here we go. We say 1 plus blank gives you 1. Once again, we cannot add, but we're missing one of the addends. So we say 1 right here. Take away 1 that is over here. And then if this number takes away itself, the answer is always going to be 0. And that's your missing addend. We say 1. Take away 1. That gives you 0. Nothing left. That's your missing addend. Alright, we're almost done. So we say 3 plus blank equals 6. Once again, you're missing one of the addends. You cannot add when you're missing one of the addends, so you have to turn these into a subtraction. We say 6. Take away 3. Here we go. We're gonna draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take away 3. 1, 2, and 3, and you have 1, 2, and 3 left. That is your missing addend. And then we go to number 10. I'm sorry about my fingers. Okay. Yeah, we did this one already. 1 plus what gives you 1? 1 plus 0. Don't tell anyone that we're copying the answers. Okay. So we did something similar to this already, but I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to find it on your own. Okay, so we have 2 plus blank gives you 3. Once again, we cannot add because we're missing one of the addends. So we say 3 minus, or take away 2. We say 3, 1, 2, and 3. We take away 2, and we have 1 left. You have 1 left right here, and you can also write the answer. Number 14 is the last one. I'm gonna leave it to you. You do it on your own, okay? Okay, so I think we're done with math, and let's see if we can do a little bit of social studies. So this was our last social studies chapter actually that we cover, and here they're talking about weather. We're gonna complete the pattern. So here you're doing a little bit of weather and a little bit of pattern as well. We're gonna complete the pattern. We have lining, sun, lining, sun. So what goes after sun? What goes after the sun? After the sun goes lining. So you come over here at the bottom, and these are the pictures that you can cut. You're gonna cut the lining, and you are going to glue it right over here. Okay, so over here we have rain, sun, rain, sun. What goes after the sun? After the sun goes the rain. So you come to the bottom, you cut the rain, and then you can glue it right here, because that's what comes after the sun. After the sun comes the rain. Alright, then we have again lining, sun. Oh, this one is hard. This one is hard. Okay, let's take a look at it. So we say lining, sun, rain, lining. What goes next? I want you to look at it. Lining, sun, rain, lining. What goes after the lining? Lining is here, but lining is also here. What came after the lining? After the lining came the sun. So we come over here and we cut the sun, and we're gonna glue it right here. Okay, and then the last one is rain, snow. Oh, I wish it was because snow here in Florida, right? Rain, snow, sun, and actually rain, snow, sun, and rain again. So we have rain here and we have rain at the end. What goes after the rain? You can go back and see what goes after the rain. After the rain goes the snow. So you can go ahead and go to the bottom now. You're gonna cut the rain and glue, cut the snow and glue it right here. So that's the snow is what comes after the rain. You're gonna glue it right here. Don't tell anyone, but the pictures are in order. Okay. Then you can also color the pictures. So this is a fun one for you. Okay, and here we go. We go to the last one. We're gonna write the weather words. Let's take a look at the weather words. The weather words are at the very bottom of the page. We can see the first one is stormy. Then we have sunny, rainy, windy, and cloudy. You see? Okay, so we're gonna sort the words. Let's take a look at the first one. The first one is stormy. Stormy. Don't yell the answers at home. Well, maybe you can do it, right? There's no one else that will get upset with you for yelling at the answers. So stormy. Where do we write stormy? You write stormy here. The first one that looks like the cloud is raining. Here. Ooh. This one next to the sun. Or over here. Where should I write stormy? I think we should write stormy over here. At the very, very bottom. Stormy, right? This looks very stormy. Very, very stormy. We also did weather in science. So we're here practicing weather in science as well. Alright, so you can go ahead and cross out the first word if you want, because you already used it. Then we go to sunny. Sunny. Which one is the picture that shows the sun? The sun shining bright. Right here, right? Yeah, sunny. Sunny. And you can cross out sunny. And then we go to rainy. 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 Where is it that is raining? I found the rainy. Okay, rainy. Rainy. Alright. So we cross out rainy. We already used it. And then we go to windy. Windy. So we already did this one. This is, well, actually, boys and girls, windy is very confusing because we don't see the wind, right? We can only see when the wind moves the plants and moves our papers or our hair, but we cannot see the wind. All right, so I think this cloud might be the wind because it looks like it's blowing the wind, but the clouds don't actually blow the wind. But we can see how the clouds move when there's a windy day. We can see the clouds moving. Okay, so we go to the bottom, we cross out windy. We only have one more, cloudy. So that's the easy one, cloudy. Usually after a cloudy day, it rains. And I can't wait for cloudy days so we get lots of rain. Alright, so if you want to pause the video now to copy the words, you can go ahead and do it. This is the end of our day 1 of the second packet. And well, I hope this was helpful for you. And this is it for today. Don't forget, you don't have to do it all at the same time. You can pause the video and eat lunch, have a snack, go play outside, and then you can continue watching the video. Well, big kiss, big hug. I miss you a lot. Hope to see you soon. Bye.